This 2003 Dodge Viper is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Viper SRT-10 Convertible 8.3 LV 10 engine 6-speed manual transmission keyless and 3-power windows, power mirrors, exterior black leather, interior black, convertible, soft top, please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price. In this 2003 Dodge Viper SRT-10 Convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.